Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, transforming the way we think about money and investments. Whether you're intrigued by Bitcoin, Ethereum, or newer altcoins, starting your crypto investment journey can seem daunting. But don't worry, today we'll guide you step by step on how to start investing in cryptocurrency and build a strong foundation for your financial future. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrency is and how it works. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital assets based on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional currencies, they aren't controlled by any government or financial institution. Popular examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. Take time to learn about blockchain, wallets, and the risks associated with crypto investments. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and blogs are great places to start. Step 2. Choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Exchanges are online platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Look for features like user-friendliness, security, fees, and the variety of cryptocurrencies available. Remember, not all exchanges are the same, so do your research and read reviews before choosing one. Step 3. Set up your account. After selecting an exchange, you'll need to create an account. Be prepared to provide some personal information for identity verification. This process is known as KYC, or Know Your Customer, and it's a standard step to ensure security and compliance with regulations. Step 4. Get a wallet. While exchanges offer wallets for storing your crypto, experts recommend using a separate wallet for added security. Wallets come in two types: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are digital and connected to the internet, while cold wallets are offline, making them less vulnerable to hacking. Decide which one suits your needs best. Step 5. Make your first purchase. Now that your account is set up and your wallet is ready, it's time to buy cryptocurrency. Start small. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Most platforms allow you to buy fractions of a coin, so you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. For instance, you can buy 0.001 Bitcoin instead of a full one. Remember, patience and caution are key. Start small, stay informed, and enjoy the journey into the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, happy investing.